Another day, another English lesson. Stop, followed by infinitive versus gerund. The verb stop can be followed by either an infinitive to plus verb or a gerund, verb plus ing, but the meaning changes completely depending on which form you use. Let's break down this important and common difference. 1. Stop plus gerund, verb plus ing. When stop is followed by a gerund, it means you end the action of that verb. You are quitting an activity. Examples: I stopped eating sugar. I ended the activity of eating sugar. I no longer eat it. She stopped talking when the teacher entered. She ended the action of talking. Here, the gerund is the activity that is stopped. 2. Stop plus infinitive to plus verb. When stop is followed by an infinitive, it means you pause one activity in order to do the action of the infinitive verb. It shows a purpose or an interruption. Examples: I stopped to eat a sandwich. I stopped what I was doing, such as walking or working, in order to eat. He stopped to tie his shoe. He stopped in order to perform an action, tying his shoe. Here, the infinitive explains why you stopped. Key difference: gerund, verb plus ing. Stop the action. You are quitting that activity. Infinitive to plus verb. Stop in order to do the action. You are stopping one thing to start something new. The verb form makes a big difference in meaning. Now watch and complete the sentence with the infinitive or gerund of the verb in parentheses. One, he was tired, so he stopped to rest for a few minutes. 2, her doctor told her she should stop eating so much junk food. 3, on our trip, we stopped to take photos at a famous place. 4, he stopped taking English classes because his schedule was too busy. 5, she was walking home when she stopped to smell a beautiful flower. 6, if you want to be healthier, you need to stop staying up late every night. 7, the speaker stopped to have a drink of water before continuing his speech. 8, I finally stopped biting my nails and they look much better. 9, let's stop to get some gas. The tank is almost empty. 10. The children stopped playing when their mother called them for dinner. Thank you for watching this worldwide ELT language learning video.